In the bustling city of Baghdad, there lived a merchant named Yusuf. He was known far and wide for his honesty and kindness. Unlike many traders who sought wealth at any cost, Yusuf always conducted his business with integrity, fearing Allah and seeking his blessings rather than mere profit. One day, an old man visited Yusuf's shop to sell a bag of dates. The man was poor and needed money urgently. Yusuf examined the dates and noticed that some of them were rotten. He could have easily taken advantage of the man's ignorance and bought them at a very low price. But his heart would not allow him to be unjust. He looked at the old man and said, "My brother, some of these dates are not fresh. If you sell them like this, people may not buy from you again. Let me help you sort them so that you can sell the good ones at a fair price." The old man was amazed by Yusuf's honesty. He smiled and said, "Most traders would have taken advantage of my ignorance. But you, O Yusuf, have proven that true wealth lies in righteousness, not in deception." A few days later, a rich merchant from another city came to Yusuf's shop. He had heard of Yusuf's honesty and wanted to do business with him. "I have gold and silk that I wish to sell." The man said, "But I need a partner I can trust. Would you work with me?" Yusuf agreed, and with Allah's blessings, their business flourished. He continued to trade with honesty,